Inhale, exhale, normal breathe in, breathe out. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Focus on your breath. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Now your body is relaxed, your mind is relaxed. Now you are relaxed completely. Inhale at the count of 5, hold at the count of 5, exhale at the count of 5. Exhale, then hold it for the count of 5. Let's do it. 1. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 5, 3, 2, 1. Hold, 4, 3, 2, 1. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, normal, relax. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold, 4, 3, 2, 1. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Now visualize the beautiful divine blue light energies at the spotlight, top of your head. Let this beautiful divine blue light energies flow from your head to forehead, eyes, nose, lips, chin, cheeks. Your face is filled with blue light energies. Let this blue light energies flow from your head to left ear, shoulder, arms, hands, fingers, nails. Let this blue light energies flow from your right ear, shoulder, arms, hand, finger, nails. Let this beautiful divine blue light energies flow from your head to back of your head, neck, shoulder. Let this flow from your shoulder to back, center of your back. Let it flow down till your bottom of your spine. Your back is filled with beautiful blue light energies. Now let this blue light energies flow from your neck, chest, upper abdomen, lower abdomen. Filled with blue light energies, visualize your upper body. Let this beautiful blue light energies flow from your left hip, thigh, knee, calf, legs, ankles, feet, finger, nail. Let this beautiful blue light energies flow from your right hip, thigh, knee, calf, leg, ankle, feet, finger. Your body is filled with blue light energies. Now inhale blue light energies. Hold as much you can. With intention, I now inhale all divine positive energies. When you exhale, I now release and let go. Let's do it one more time. Inhale blue light energies with intention. Ion inhale. Beautiful, divine, positive energies. Hold as much you can. Exhale with intention. I now release and let go all the negativity. Inhale blue light energies with intention. I now inhale beautiful blue light energies. I now release if so any negativity in me. Focus any one thing which you really want to heal. Stress, pain, mental pain, physical pain, anything one. You can just focus on that. Now give it a color, size, shape, anything what pops up first in your mind. Affirm mentally. I'm open and receptive to heal completely from the root cause. I'm open and receptive to heal completely from the root cause. I'm open and receptive to heal completely from the root cause. Now let that color, size, shape change into blue light energy. Keep focusing until it changes to the blue light energies. By now, yeah, it may be as a process, the color, size, shape will change into blue light energies. For that, I'm sealing this beautiful blue light energies to continue the healing. Please affirm, thank you dear God, Guru Angels. Thank you dear God, Guru Angels. Thank you dear God, Guru Angels, Universe, for cleansing, healing, emotionally, physically, mentally, karmically, financially, spiritually, at all the levels. Thank you for this healing. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Just now, whatever that one thing you asked for change, whenever you think of it, think as if it's already happened in a positive way, like end result what you want. If it is a physical pain, thank you, I'm healed. If it is some wish, thank you, it is done. So your affirmation from now as only thank you and visualize the end positive result for it. With the divine grace of God, Guru Angels, may all the wishes, dreams comes true for your highest good. With this energies, with these blessings, with this blue light energy, I'm sealing this. And also this is going to keep you safe, secure, protected. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Focus on your breath, eyes closed. Come back to your awareness, eyes closed. Make yourself comfortable, eyes closed. Gently move your fingers. Gently move your hands. Gently rub your palms till you feel the warmth in it. Eyes closed, keep it on your head. Take your name. I am blessed. I am blessed. I am blessed. Thank you so much. Eyes closed, keep it on your face. Gently touch your entire body with that hands. Eyes closed, just give a gentle hug to yourself and affirm with your name, I love you. I am safe, I am secure, I am protected. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now, get your hands to, get back your hands into Namaskar. Open your eyes in your hand with the gratitude. Thank you, thank you, thank you.